Okay. Hi. Maraming nabanggit po sa inyong lahat. Um, Tia Aling, ako po si Lilibeth. Um, kung naalala niyo pa po ang mukha ko at ako, um, I will not let this day pass without greeting you from the bottom of my heart and on behalf of my family. Kay Martin po, ang apo niyong si Sophie at si Christoph. Binabati ko kayo ng napakamaligayang kaarawan ngayong araw na ito. I thank God that you have lived this long and I pray that you will live longer. Makita po pa ninyo yung mga apo nyo sa tuhod. I really thank God for your life, for your family, at sana po maging malakas pa kayo at ma-enjoy niyo pa po ang buhay. I'd like to say hello to everybody, kila Tio Adoy, Ate Linda, at Tia Melly and the family, sa lahat po ng mga pinsang ko, kay Shirley, Sheila, Sherwin, Shulan, at Maricon. I hope I have not forgotten anyone. Sa inyo pong mga anak na apo ko na that I haven't met. Kumusta po kila V, sila Gigi, si Oyet, Ate Melly, I don't know if I mentioned that already. I miss you very much. Ito po nakaraang July and August, I was able to visit si Ayan and Kuya Sani. And masaya po na makasama mga family. And I hope and I pray one of these days, pag nakauwi po kami ng Philippines, we will be able to meet again. Uwi po tayo lahat ulit sa Tinambak. Ayun lang po. I hope you enjoyed your day and I hope you continue to enjoy it. At sa lahat ng mga nandiyan dyan sa Tinambak, I pray that you really enjoy your time together. Nasisiyahan po ako every time that I see the mga pictures ninyo, Tia Aling. I always have mixed emotions. I'm always happy that you are still healthy, but at the same time, I have to, I don't know, every time na nakikita ko rin po kayo, ako rin po yung nalulungkot because I always, it really always reminds me of my mom pag nakikita ko kayo. And I just really praise God. Lahat po tayo nakakilala sa Panginoon. And so yun lang po, I hope that we will be able to, I will also be able to see you online. So I've been really trying to work it out with Kay that we see each other sa Skype. But there are limitations because of the internet connections. Basta po, okay, mag-alala. One of these days, siguro po in the next 2 years, we'll be able to come. We will let you know beforehand para po maplano natin lahat, para po talagang we can have a really enjoyable time of fellowship and togetherness. All the best po. God bless. At hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. I love you all. Bye.